folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're going to be taking up the e-flite Trojan 1.1 meter, the new yellow one that runs on 3-cell or 4-cell. We're going to start the Maiden off with a 3-cell, get a feel for, and then we'll see how she flies, and then we'll switch to a 4-cell for the next video. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have some fun with this thing. Do a little shakedown on her. All right. Pick up the old handy dandy transmitter. Kind of need it to fly. All right. First thing we'll do is start out with a range test, as is my normal practice, and especially with a plane that I have never flown before. The only thing I've done with this little Trojan is taxi it around in the driveway. A little windy today, probably too windy for a Maiden, but hey, motor on helps. A little too windy, but that's never stopped me. It doesn't normally anyways. All right, I'm running a 2700 milliamp 3-cell Hobby Star 3-cell in her right now. Whoa. All right, let's put her in the range test mode. Range test mode. Reduce the power. All right, I got movement. Go back to regular mode. And I have it on a, hold on, I got safe mode. And I've got experienced mode. So experienced mode is where we're going to keep her. I will try her in safe mode at one point. Let's get her down here. Typical tricycle gear, great for handling on a runway, or really just great handling period. All right, as you can see, she handles very nicely. All right, get her turned around. She's kind of into the wind here. Oh, uneventful, which is exactly what you want. Definitely needs some down trim. All right, let's switch her into safe mode now. See? Can't bank, can't, see? All the way over. Cannot turn her over. Can't get her to turn over. So put her back in experience mode. Get away from the power lines. Me and Trojan planes, T28 and power lines do not go well together. Not at all. Very easy plane to fly. Very predictable. Let's see if we can get her. That's full speed. All right, let's see if we can't get a nice slow pass here, so you can see what she looks like. Into the wind, about maybe half throttle. There you go. Yeah. All right, with the wind. There, that's full speed. All right, let's see if we can't get a landing out of her. You know what? We'll land in safe mode. All right, she's in safe mode. Man, she's fighting me. Oh man. But this is in safe mode here. There we go. Put her back in experience mode. Get her back on the runway. Very easy plane to fly. All right, we're going to take off now. I'm not in safe mode. See? And like I say, this is on 3-cell. All right. See if we can't land her. We're gonna land her now in experience mode. Maybe. All right. See what we'll do. Go down here. Timer set for, got about 2 more minutes left. I'm gonna take off with the wind. You're not really supposed to do that. You should take off into the wind. Gonna land her now. About maybe an 8 throttle. Now down to no throttle. There we go. Oh, hey, hey. All right, let's get her turned around. And this is on a 3-cell. Taking off into the wind like you're supposed to. And this is the Maiden, folks. And I'm feeling this comfortable with this plane on a Maiden. Not bad at all. See if I can get a nice, oh, look at that, a nice knife edge out of her. All right, let's bleed off some speed here. All right, there we go. That's what I like. Got 1 minute and 13 seconds. So let's get one more little flight out of her. That yellow is very easy to see. Very easy to see. Yeah, that yellow makes her very easy to see. Well, you know what? Let's go around again. Out of the power. Yeah. All right, let me get off the runway so I get my perspective right. All right. Oh, turn too soon. Gotta remember, she kind of sits up high on those wheels. Time expired. All right, well, there you go, folks. Just to show you, I was very happy with the placement of the battery. Let me turn
motor off.
That's what you want to hear before you touch your plane. To show you where I've got her on a 3-cell. Okay. Right up here. You can just see the beginning of the battery just breaching there. At the very end of the battery, until there's a little stop there. You push in until it stops, so you really can't go wrong. Now, a 4-cell battery is going to end right here where these black marks are, which makes sense. It's going to be a heavier battery, so it's going to be a little further back. But there you go. That is the e-flite 1.1 meter Trojan. Go ahead and nice thing about it is you don't have to worry about your battery sliding backwards, because it has this dam here that'll stop that battery from sliding around. So you don't have to have Velcro or anything like that, which makes it nice. Okay, well, just one less thing you got to worry about. So let's pick up the old handy dandy transmitter here, take the plane, and go back up here, and I'll turn the video off. I got my hands full though. But great plane. Is very successful Maiden, which I fully expected it to be. Same plane basically as far as airframe and everything as the T28B Park Zone Trojan. You may not be able to tell all that well. Just grab the plane, slide her out, slide the battery out with daylight here. But the only other mod to this plane that I've done is I put a nice clear coat of that polyacrylic, that blue can clear gloss, and I actually put a real heavy coat right here because it's going to be an access point, and of course over the entire plane. So thank you for watching, folks. That is the e-flite 1.1 meter Trojan, the yellow one. The next flight we're going to do will be on a 4-cell. See what this bird's capable of. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.